Building a product roadmap in teamwork.com can help you align your team and get your product vision from concept to launch efficiently. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share how you can use teamwork.com for free with some exclusive bonuses. Now, if you're new to teamwork.com, it's an incredibly powerful project management tool that lets you organize tasks, track milestones, and manage your team's workflow. When it comes to building a product roadmap, Teamwork is ideal because it gives you a clear visual representation of your plan and makes collaboration super easy. First off, you need to create a new project for your product roadmap. Simply head over to the Projects tab, click on Plus New Project, and choose a template that suits your needs, or start from scratch. If you're focusing on product development, you can choose the Product Roadmap template, or customize one based on your specific needs. Once your project is created, go to the Task section. Here, you can start breaking your roadmap down into actionable steps. Add tasks for key product features, sprints, and milestones. Teamwork.com makes it easy to assign these tasks to different team members, so everyone knows what they're working on. One of the standout features of Teamwork.com is the ability to set deadlines and dependencies. This is crucial when building a product roadmap. You want to make sure your tasks are lined up in the right order, and that team members know when their work is dependent on someone else's. You can simply drag and drop tasks in the timeline view to adjust dates, making it easy to see the bigger picture and ensure everything stays on track. Teamwork also allows you to create milestones, which are essential when mapping out your roadmap. These milestones represent major product phases or achievements, such as MVP launch or beta testing. When you set milestones, you can monitor the progress of each task leading up to them, so your team stays focused and productive. For an even clearer overview of your product roadmap, you can use Teamwork's Gantt chart feature. The Gantt chart visually shows the timeline of all your tasks and milestones, so you can quickly spot bottlenecks or areas that need more attention. It's a great way to keep track of your progress and see how your project is advancing. Don't forget to use Teamwork.com's collaboration tools. You can communicate with your team directly within the platform by adding comments to tasks, attaching files, and having discussions. This keeps everything in one place and avoids the chaos of switching between emails and messages. As you move forward with your roadmap, you'll want to keep track of your team's progress. Teamwork has a built-in reporting feature that gives you detailed insights into task completion, time spent, and overall project health. This data will help you make adjustments to your roadmap as needed and ensure that your team is working efficiently. The best part? You can use teamwork.com for free by following the first link below, and it comes with some exclusive bonuses to make your project management experience even better. Make sure you grab that offer and get started right away. To wrap it up, building a product roadmap in teamwork.com is straightforward and powerful. From creating tasks and milestones to visualizing progress with Gantt charts and collaborating with your team, it's a comprehensive tool that can help you turn your product vision into a reality. And remember, check out the link in the description for your exclusive extended free trial of teamwork.com.